Are you tired of pulling your hair out because Next.js won't update your page after making changes to your code? You're not alone. Many developers have faced this frustrating issue, and it's essential to understand why it happens and how to resolve it. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Next.js and explore the possible reasons behind this problem. We'll also provide a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot and fix the issue, so you can get back to building amazing applications with ease. So why does Next.js sometimes refuse to update your page after making changes to your code? To answer this question, let's first understand how Next.js works. Next.js is a popular React-based framework that allows you to build server-side rendered SSRs and statically generated websites and applications. One of its key features is the ability to automatically update your pages when you make changes to your code. However, there are scenarios where this automatic updating might not work as expected. One common reason is that Next.js uses a caching mechanism to improve performance. When you make changes to your code, Next.js might not detect these changes immediately because of this caching layer. Another possible reason is that the changes you made might not be significant enough to trigger an update. Imagine your application as a complex machine with many moving parts. When you make changes to one part, the entire machine needs to be updated and recalibrated to reflect those changes. Next.js is a concept called invalidation to determine when to update its internal cache and re-render pages. If the changes you made don't trigger this invalidation process, your page might not update as expected. To resolve this issue, let's break down the steps you can take. Firstly, try restarting your development server. This simple step often resolves the problem by clearing out any cached data that might be causing issues. Secondly, ensure that you're using the latest version of Next.js and its dependencies. Sometimes, updating to the latest version can resolve bugs or issues related to page update. Thirdly, check your code for any syntax errors or typos. It's easy to overlook small mistakes, but they can cause significant problems. Use tools like Eslant or Prettier to help you catch these errors early on. Lastly, consider using a more aggressive caching strategy or invalidation policy in your Next.js configuration. This might require some experimentation and fine-tuning, but it can help ensure that your pages update correctly after making changes to your code. To summarize, the next time you encounter the issue of Next.js not updating your page after making changes to your code, remember these key points. Restarting your development server might resolve the problem. Ensure you're using the latest version of Next.js and its dependencies. Double-check your code for syntax errors or typos. Consider adjusting your caching strategy or invalidation policy in your Next.js configuration. That's it for today's video on resolving the issue of Next.js not updating your page after making changes to your code. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you now feel more confident in troubleshooting and fixing this problem. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on web development and related topics. We'd love to hear from you and help you overcome any challenges you're facing. Thanks for watching.